what I'm going to do is replace these seals. These seals go right underneath, right here. You can see this right here. That's where the seals go. So what I'm going to do is I have to clean them off, and I cleaned them off already actually. There's a little bit of junk on this one, so I take one of these dental tools or any kind of scraper, or X-Acto knife would work. Just scrape all that off. There's a little bit of junk left there, see? So, but it took me a little while to do this. There was a lot of that gasket sealer. And this is what I use as a gasket sealer right here. This Permatex, it works great. You know, this has been out here how many years? Been about 8 years ago I bought this. And this stuff still isn't hard. It sticks, it works great. I never had a problem. So that's what I'm going to use on these. So here I go. Here's a gasket sealer. I'm going to put it on the bottom. All the way around, little tiny bead. Just like that guy painting all the beautiful pictures. Can't remember his name. He used to be on TV all the time. He did the beautiful paintings. And that's what I'm doing right now, painting this stuff on here and dreaming about my motorcycle. This is a 1972 750. Built in August of 1971, his manufacture date. So it's an early 72. Okay. Now this is what I'm going to do with this. See this right here? I'm going to put it right in there, but I'm just not going to do that because where's my paintbrush? Aha, what did I do? Okay, here's the paintbrush. I'm going to paint it in there too, and this is why, I'll tell you, is I don't want any chance of a gap. If you put this on and just squeeze it on and say, hey, it's all squeezed on, it's good, there could be a bubble or something in there, and next thing you know, you got a leak. So always make sure I paint it onto the surface and it's completely covered. Every bit of the surface where it's going is covered. Nice thin coat, it doesn't have to be thick. Look at that. There, that's the artist again. There, see that? Watch this. Now I'll put this on. There it is. There it is. Take a rag, wipe off the excess. Whoop. Whoop. Little carb cleaner on the rag. Okay, it takes it right off. Look at that. But that thing's not going to leak. That's there. That's in. So, let's take a look at this seal again. And on the 750s, these things are almost totally flat when you get them. These have about 8,000 miles. I don't have any replacement seals. So, why does it have a bubble? Some of them have a real big bubble. And if you take one of these apart and it doesn't have a bubble, well then it had some kind of a leak. There was an air leak on this side here. So you want that bubble. This is real good to have. And you put these on top, it squeezes it down into the head right here, and it fits right on the back. It squeezes it right in. And guess what? Here's this seal. You know you have a seal there and you have a seal here, and this air bubble grows and pushes the seal in. It actually pushes the seal in and gives it even more of a seal all around the edges. So this is, I don't know if they designed it that way or not, but they sure did a good job.